sure you twist it till it's locked. Power forward, plug in, power on, change to Fahrenheit. I'm in America, so that's what I'm going to use. This is the timer button, fan speed, so we can change it there with that button. And it shows how much air is blowing out right there. You push the auto button. I guess it will automatically do its thing. So right now, of course, it's green. And we'll check back with it later. Hey, I just wanted to show you the size of this compared to me. I'm actually 5'9". This is on my counter, and it's looks like about 24 inches tall. It's pretty significant size, but I'm excited to have this and use this. There's my dog. Especially using resin, anything with chemicals or gases, you need to definitely get an air purifier and also use your mask and be extra cautious and play it safe so that you can work with your beautiful supplies and create beautiful things and be safe always. So I am so psyched about this air purifier from Resiners, and you need to get you one. I'll put a link below the video. Get you one. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Love you all.